Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am talking about, are you too tall to be a model? All right, Allie here with NGM Modeling. Let's jump into this topic. So the general requirements for males can be up to 6'4", and for females up to about 6 feet tall. So these are kind of the general rules for your height, how tall, like the tallest end that we really want you to be. But don't be disheartened, because there are plenty of projects where height doesn't really matter. So don't not apply for something because you are above the height requirements. You can still go for it. You can still apply and give it a shot, because there are so many different projects out there, and with the modeling world changing so much and requirements constantly changing, there's lots of doors open for everybody, every size, shape, height, all that kind of good stuff. The next one is that the bigger your personal brand is, the more exceptions will likely be made for you. So if you are bringing something to the table, you're adding value to a project, then they're going to overlook some things. And if you are too tall or above the normal height requirement, they will still make exceptions for you because they know you're bringing something to the table. So that's why it's always important to be working on your personal brand and expanding that and making it bigger, because that does help you in the long run, opens doors for you that wouldn't normally be open. The last one is, don't try to hide your height and don't try to downplay your height. It is what it is, and they're going to see it and they're going to notice it. So there's really no use in hiding that or even lying to them about it. I mean, basically, we know how tall people are, and we can kind of guess. So don't feel like you have to hide that and downplay it, and don't feel bad about it. It is what it is, and like I said, there could be lots of projects out there for you, so don't lose hope. So the answer to the question at the very beginning is no, you are not too tall to be a model. Hope this video helps you out. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave me a comment of how tall you are.